revealing the raging bull. Look at that shine coming through.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at this incredible Countach LP5000 QV. And there it is, the original glossy black finish underneath all that dirt.
Is that the 88 QV? Must be. Shame to see it like this.
We use the ratchet to slowly work these final bolts loose. They're usually the toughest part of the removal process.
Gently sweeping the dust away from these beautiful vintage gauges. Look at that detail.
The legendary Countach. It's incredible how much history is trapped in this carpet. The legend reborn. Every line, every curve, brought back to life.
The pistons from the 1988 Countach. We need to get every millimeter of this carbon off. And now the moment of truth, lowering the crankshaft into the main bearings. Perfect fit. This is the 1988 Countach caliper, making sure it's absolutely perfect.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the left side.
Looks good, steady as she goes. It's almost home. And now the final liters of the golden oil flowing smoothly into the V12.
Feather that edge out right there. Make sure the dust extraction is on full blast. Got it. Looks smooth now.
The deep, glossy midnight black swirls slowly. Notice the layered fluid textures and the mirror-like reflections.
Keep the pressure even and let the water do the work. See how the LEDs reflect perfectly now.
And now we carefully slide the assembly into the housing. Just a few precise turns to secure it.
Gently massaging this rich cream deep into the leather grain, ensuring every stitch is conditioned.
Look at that perfect midnight black paint. The doors glide open so smoothly. Absolutely flawless.
We apply the ceramic coating in smooth, overlapping strokes. Notice how the LED lights reflect perfectly in the new.
We are using the softest brush here, making sure not to scratch the chrome.
The Countach, a timeless icon, reborn. As the sun sets on